Making news out of Oshkosh this Wednesday morning, it's National Fire Prevention Week, and fire crews are going door to door, stressing the importance of those smoke detectors.
They are so very important. Local 5's Calvin Lewis joins us live from Oshkosh with more on their efforts. Calvin.
Shelly, Nate, good morning, guys. Yep, it is Fire Prevention Week, and check this out. I mean, what is a firefighter without his own fire truck? Am I right? Check out this ride. This is just one of the many bad boys here going on at the Oshkosh Fire Department, and check that out. Nice little steps right there. But wanted to talk to John Holland over here. He is one of the many firefighters here with Oshkosh. Thank you so much, John, for joining us this morning.
You bet.
It is Fire Prevention Week. What is this all about?
Fire Prevention Week, this is the week that we really focus on getting out there, making people actually stop and think about fire prevention. It is one of those things that people think, that's kid stuff. I know this. And for the adults out there, you don't. You are the ones starting all the fires. So we are out there doing our detector track. We are also in the schools heavily. And even with that, our little MO there is we talk to the kids and hope they go home and talk to their parents as well.
So you guys are going to be going door to door this week with some of the smoke detectors.
Yep.
Just highlight the importance for us. It seems like something that kind of goes commonplace or misplaced. We don't think about too often. How important is that to really think about?
That is the most important fire safety device you can have in your house. It is the only thing that's going to let you know there's a fire. If you are sleeping, you will not wake up. The smoke will not wake you up. The carbon monoxide in the smoke will just make you sleep and sleep until you never wake up again. So without that detector, you are not going to know. The bigger fires we go to, they have no detectors or they have detectors without batteries. So we're going out this week trying to make sure that an unnecessary tragedy just doesn't happen.
Okay, very good. Thank you so much, John, for joining us. So it is Fire Prevention Week. As we mentioned, the Oshkosh Fire Department, some of the firefighters are going to be going door to door later today and kind of just reiterating that importance of the smoke detectors, smoke alarms, and all that other good stuff. You can find more information over on our website, of course, at wearegreenbay.com. But for now, guys, we'll toss it back to you over in the studio.